Hi there, welcome to my new home. It's empty, but we're gonna do an empty house tour today. Come inside. So the cool part of this home is there's a private lift over there. Oh my gosh, I have no furniture in here, so it's super echoey. Check out the living room, guys. It is insane. I am in love with the floor to ceiling windows, well, almost floor to ceiling, because check out this. I love these poles. They're good to hug. All right, and check out these ledges, guys. They're full marble. Sit here, read a book. So there's an open kitchen here, which is really cool, guys. A huge kitchen bench right here. So if you guys want cooking with Wengie, you can finally have cooking with Wengie in this super nice kitchen. The stove over there, oven, steamer, and the fridge, guys. The fridge is hidden, super clean and neat. Two sides of the fridge here. The freezer is down here as well. So once it closes all up, you can't tell there's a fridge here. I almost didn't know where the fridge was. I was like, where am I gonna get my food? So you can see like there's a ton of drawers all here. So much storage. I love collecting plates and teacups and mugs. Mugs are really, I just have too many mugs, guys. Through here, there's actually a second kitchen. There's another fridge because I love my food. Second stove and a sink. So this is the laundry area too. We have the washing machine, right? And we also have a bomb shelter, guys. In case anything happens, we stay. It's okay, it's a bomb shelter. We're not gonna be spending time in there unless we need to. So this kitchen is good because it closes like this. Any food that's like super pungent or has a lot of smell, you can cook it in there. On this side of the living room, guys, there's this little super cute area over here, which I love. I think I'm gonna set up like a little like cafe, armchair reading area here so we can like just chill. There's another cute little seating area right here. Probably gonna be my reading area, I think. So here we have a guest bathroom. So for anyone that comes over, bathroom here for them. This is the guest bedroom. Anyone that stays over can stay in here, and they have their own little ensuite right here, which is really cool. So this is their ensuite, super cute. So this is like one side of the house, and then we're gonna go down the other side of the house. This living room, guys, is so long. Like, check this out. We're walking, we're still walking, guys. Come down the hallway on the other side of the living room. So the first room we have here on the right is going to be my office. Super cute, guys. So this is the office. It's actually like another bedroom because it has a cupboard here and it has its own bathroom inside. It's like an ensuite. This is probably where I'm gonna film Roblox videos for gaming. Set it up with like a little music section as well. Just work on projects. Come over here, opposite my office. It's just like a general bathroom. We have like so many bathrooms here. I don't even know what we're gonna do with all these bathrooms. It's like 4 bathrooms. I think there's like 6 bathrooms in this place. I don't even know what we're gonna do with all these bathrooms. So this is like a second family area. So we're actually gonna set up, I think, the DIY room where we're gonna shoot all the DIYs right here. This is gonna be where all the magic happens. We're gonna do all the upside stuff. We're gonna set it up here. And it has its own like little storage room right here as well, so we keep all our DIY supplies and everything like that. Come through, we go have another bedroom. So this is gonna be Max's office. You can see I took the big office. He said it was okay to do that. I think this space is better for him because he likes having more walls, and there was like a lot of window in that first place. So this is gonna be his office. Guys, like literally every single room has a bathroom. Finally, guys, one of my favorite parts of the house, apart from the living room was so super duper cute, is the master bedroom. Alright guys, come through to the master bedroom. Look to the right. There's a wardrobe section all the way there, guys. There's so much wardrobe space. This is a dream. It's actually really big, guys. Look how big this is. This is a huge master bedroom. I love all the windows on that side. And they have the little marble ledges as well. So I mean, there's so many places to relax. I think I'm just gonna be like super lazy in this house. I love this like pole. I don't know why I like poles. It just makes it look really cute. So check out the bathroom. This is the master. Honestly, it's crazy. There's like a huge shower in here, bathtub. It's like see-through. It makes it feel really open. 2 sinks right here, and then a huge mirror. So there's like so much light in this bathroom, which is what I love about it. I don't like bathrooms that are really dark. For some reason, like this one, you wake up in the morning, you're gonna feel super refreshed because it's super bright. There's like so much wardrobe space. Check out this wardrobe space. All along here, it's like all wardrobe, which is what I need because I have so many clothes. I've always wanted like a walk-in closet, but we haven't got that yet. Place doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it's close enough. It's got a whole wall here. So we're walking in. This is all wardrobe space. So this is really cute as well. So I was thinking of putting all my like costume clothes here and my everyday clothes over there, which is good to have 2 sections. Again, little ledge. So many ledges, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is my empty house tour. This apartment, guys, is worth like $7 million. It's just crazy how we're living in somewhere that's like worth that much money. But yeah, I'm gonna deck it out. It might take a while. So that's why I wanted to show you guys the empty house first. So yeah, thanks for coming over. And I'm gonna have to ask you to go home now. All right, see you later. Love you. Mwah.
Never die, live fast is my empire. Put my face on the cash is my empire. Put the bricks to the bricks, watch them get higher. Lay back, let them build my empire.